Came down to like a dream car. Way back when, my dream car was always the FD. It was the Mazda RX-7 FD. I always kind of been my dream car until it stopped being my dream car. And it ended up coming down to two cars. It came down to really just two cars. That if I could get either, I'd be happy. One was the Mazda RX-7 SC, which is second gen RX-7, and the Porsche 944.
So I'm thinking, we need to basically have like 3 big sessions with it.
Yeah.
First, we jack it up. All the suspension, the steering, everything just comes out of it.
Yeah.
And all new everything goes into it. Oh, so I went on eBay and I just started throwing shit in the car to like,
Look at it.
to what it would cost to like rebuild the whole thing. I just kept adding shit in there. Everything minus the motor, and I'm including body kits, seats, steering wheels, every bit of suspension, everything. It was like $2,600.
Oh, that's not very much.
So you're not even at $4 grand.
So that's like $5 or $6 grand for everything plus the car.
Yes, and so you need to add a motor on there and you need to get wheels and tires.
Yeah.
So you're gonna add a couple G's on there.
Yeah.
But your mods, you never get your money back out of it. But when it's in a running state and it's worth like 20, 30 grand or whatever, you can dump that money into it and actually get it out.
Yeah.
As long as you don't pay anything for the car.
Yeah.
So like the RX-7, you can dump
What is it?
20
That
G's
car-
into it and you can turn around and sell it.
That car running but in bad shape is worth
7
grand right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, we're just gonna unbox everything and make sure that we have everything we need, and then we can order stuff if we don't.
So you actually don't have.
Well, part of the problem I had is all these parts are sold individually, and I've never taken the car apart, so I don't know exactly what all the pieces are. And some of these include other parts, stuff for removing the rear steer, I think is included with the aftermarket suspension, but they're also individual bushings. That's why I gotta unbox it all. I'm sure I'm missing one piece because it was back ordered, but that's not a showstopper.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are solid rear differential mounts for the rear suspension, so it doesn't move around.
Sick.
That's big.
So that one's easy to install.
No, I didn't have it.
Okay, this is getting into some
Oh,
custom.
yeah, I love it. Some sick crud, man. Reminds me of like max power.
These are the camber drop links. Solid spherical.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, yeah.
So these, solid spherical, with the bushing thing that goes in, these eliminate the rear steer. I think those are for the tow arms. This is what I was saying, I don't know.
Yeah. Very clean.
Solid spherical tow
I
arms,
think
man.
it's that.
Oh man, it's like that, the Falcon.
It's because it is.
Oh,
Sick.
This is the only way to get this stuff. Okay, so those are all the bushings for it. It's one side. This is the other side. More bushings to eliminate the rear steer.
That's a lot of bushes to get rid of that rear steer there.
Just look at these.
Oh, those are sick.
So, as far as I can tell, the stuff to make this car handle was only made one place. It's this Max place. It's some random Japanese outfit. All right. So now I think we're getting into serious shit. Because I mean, that kind of sets your rear end up or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, this is some of the stuff that starts making it work.
What is that?
It's a front spindle, okay? That all the suspension fits in.
So that's like a double truck.
So this is mounted in a different place. So literally what this does is you can turn that shit so far you can go into rear entries and shit.
That's insane.
This is that whole front hub that everything hooks to.
I need to cast it.
Dude, check this.
I think it's okay. Oh yeah, I love the text on there. You know.
I love it.
I've never seen it like that.
Just because it's custom, man. But like you were saying, this is the Falcon drift shit. So this is how they built it.
Interesting.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
All right.
So wait, it's not like a wishbone, or is it?
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, this is where the shit gets real.
That looks like no wishbone on it.
But it only works if you have all of it. You can't just put this in by itself, okay?
The only piece that's missing is the back piece.
Well, that's fine. Use that really cool one from.
Yeah. This is that rusty side right here. Oh no, it is here. It was folded down.
Oh. Well, cool.
Oh, that's the rear bit?
Yeah.
What is all that stuff? It's like
We think it's so it's true.
the stuff for the tint. Oh man, I hate tint when it gets icky.
It also has, if you look in here, it has the bins, which are also rare.
That dashboard, $400.
Yeah.
$5.
Also, look, it's not cracked either. The dash isn't cracked. It's down low. Yeah, all the wiring is there.
It's not chopped up. No, that's it, man. You're crazy.
That's my AC. That's bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, no AC.
Oh, huh, it's pretty cool in here actually.
Isn't it nice in there?
Okay, there is something I smell though. Smells like cow flops.
Yeah, it does smell like cow flops.
Smells like cow flops, man.
I think it's that dirt, musty.
Pop it.
Pops, man. I think it's already popped, dude.
It's not open.
Uh-oh. You can pull it, but it's already been pulled. Man, it's weird. Those gauges look like they're on, but it's pretty cool, man. Rather than click. It's still on silent, though. Oh.
It's a brand new throttle.
Throttle cable, that's what it is. Well, he probably didn't mess it up too badly considering he was planning on working on it.
No, the headlights effectively inside of the right?
Oh, I think mine were always jacked up, weren't they?
Because it comes off in the roof, too. Because they shine through here.
Do they actually?
Yeah, you can use this in your running mode.
Oh, I didn't know
That's
that.
really clear. It's so cool.
Huh.
I'm just gonna sit here and start taking it out. Actually, if I just give me a garbage bag and start going through this thing. Oh yeah, if I just had trash. So much rock.
Okay, is it just me though? It smells like cow flops down there. Just down in that
like
bottom
cow flops
left,
down here, yeah.
bottom left corner.
Yeah.
You have electrical suspension. The things are off here. The electrical adjusters went off.
Oh, huh. This is probably like the grand tourer of the RX-7s, I suppose, at the time.
Oh, dude. I don't know what this is. Shake away.
I don't know what that is, man. I don't want
It's
to
the cow flop smell.
It is?
Yeah.
I have no idea what that is.
Shake away.
Oh, I bet you it's an odor or a moisture eater thing. Who knows what that is, though?
He already cut the shift boot. Cut it.
Oh yeah, he did put his swap in.
Yeah. And he looks like he put a metal plate here where the old one was.
Yeah, he did. So I guess if we cut it, it's not over.
Yeah. That's cut. The suspension one.
Huh. I'm amazed that there's not some part that's majorly damaged or missing.
Yeah, nothing yet.
Yeah. Could drop that spoiler on here, man. See how it looks.
And there's no reason not to. There's multiple attempts to attach this thing because there's multiple holes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they're pretty
Oh.
Look at that.
That happens, man. I've done that many times.
It's like cracked and crud.
How it cracks around when you put the...
Yeah, it's not a problem. He did drill holes.
Yeah.
We could just like patch that up easy enough so it doesn't rust more.
Man,
Yeah.
this, you know, some cars just have a cool vibe to them.
This car just has a cool vibe. It's a good vibe.
It does. Has a good vibe. Seems friendly, like you want to take it in by the fire at night. Oh, dude, it looks way better with the spoiler, though.
The front piston somewhere. Oh, it's got the nut on it, that's why.
It looks, I'm trying to remember what the initial decal has on it. Is it that's what? Is it?
There it is. Yeah. That's great.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Oh, there's some nice old school ones too.
Oh, is that the?
Diagrams.
Take them all.
I would not be surprised.
EGI comp, ejection, head. Main is an 80. I don't think I'm gonna put score 80s, dude. 30. 60.
What's the 80? What's in there?
It's 100.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, sick, hang on.
Oh, it does. You're right. To the bumper.
Dang.
I don't know how you turn that on.
Here's a 10 mil, but I don't know if it'll work for you or not.
Kind of not synchronized, you see that?
Yeah, I saw it.